If you're struggling to close sales in your startup or company, chances are you're selling the task and not the solution to the job to be done. Let me explain. People don't buy products. They buy solutions. They hire your product to get a job done. And this is what Jobs to be Done framework tries to explain. Take a lawn mower, for example. The job isn't just cutting grass, it goes further than this. The job actually has 3 layers. The functional job, which is the core task, in this case, cutting the grass. The emotional job, in our example, could be feeling good about having a perfect lawn without stress. And the social job, which could be looking good in front of the neighbors. You have to understand that no one buys a mower because they love engines or blades. They buy it because they want a clean, beautiful lawn, all with less effort. Yet most businesses make a critical mistake. They focus on features instead of outcomes. They sell extra horsepower and stainless steel blades instead of getting the perfect lawn in half the time. Now imagine if you invented a grass seed that stays green, beautiful, and at 3 inches year-round. You wouldn't just sell something better than a lawnmower, you'd disrupt the entire industry, destroying all the companies that tries to sell it. This applies to any business, whether you sell software, services, or coaching. Your customers don't care about your tools. They care about how you help them win faster, easier, and better. So, stop selling features and start selling results. Think beyond improving the job. Disrupt it, nail this, and you won't just close more deals. You'll make customers for life.